Ever wondered how the smallest particles in the universe behave? Well, that's where quantum mechanics comes in. It's a branch of physics that dives into the behavior of particles smaller than atoms. It's like a backstage pass, giving us a sneak peek into the tiny, hidden world that underpins everything we see around us. Quantum mechanics helps us understand the fundamental principles that govern the universe. Intriguing, isn't it? So, quantum mechanics is the key to understanding the tiny, hidden world that underpins everything we see around us. Imagine, if you can be at two places at the same time, wouldn't that be fantastic? Well, welcome to the world of quantum mechanics where particles can do just that, thanks to the principle of wave-particle duality. This quirky characteristic allows particles to exhibit the properties of both waves and particles depending on how we observe them. Take light for instance. It can behave like a stream of particles known as photons when interacting with materials, yet it can also behave like a wave, spreading and interfering just like ripples in a pond. It's a bit like a superhero with a dual identity, transforming based on the situation. Now let's delve into another peculiar aspect of quantum mechanics known as superposition. This principle suggests that a particle can exist in multiple states at once until it's observed. It's as if you were both sitting and standing at the same time until someone looks at you, and only then do you choose one state. Our quantum journey would be incomplete without mentioning quantum entanglement. This is a phenomenon where particles become so deeply linked that the state of one can instantly affect the other, regardless of the distance between them. It's as if two friends living on opposite sides of the Earth instantly knew what the other was doing without any communication. In the quantum world, particles have this fascinating ability to exist in multiple places at the same time, and to magically affect each other, no matter how far apart they are. But you may ask, how does this impact our daily life? Well, the truth is, the principles of quantum mechanics are deeply interwoven into the fabric of our everyday technologies. For starters, lasers, those powerful beams of light that we use in everything from barcode scanners to surgical equipment, owe their existence to quantum principles. By stimulating atoms to emit light at particular frequencies, we can create a concentrated beam of light, and voila, you have a laser. Then there's the world of semiconductors. These tiny devices are the backbone of all our digital technologies. From your smartphone to the most advanced supercomputers, semiconductors are at work. And guess what? Their operation is entirely governed by quantum mechanics. By manipulating the quantum properties of materials, we can control the flow of electricity in our devices. Let's not forget about magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, a technology that has revolutionized medical diagnostics. Without the quantum mechanical principle of nuclear spin, MRI machines would simply not exist, and we're just getting started. Quantum mechanics is paving the way for future technologies like quantum computing, which promises to solve problems that are currently beyond our reach. And then there's quantum teleportation, a concept straight out of a sci-fi movie that might just become reality. Quantum mechanics is not just a baffling concept, it is a key that unlocks many technological marvels that we take for granted today, and promises a future full of unimaginable possibilities. So, ready to dive into the rabbit hole of quantum mechanics? We've journeyed through the mind-bending realm of quantum mechanics, a science that explores the peculiar world of subatomic particles. These tiny constituents of matter exhibit strange behaviors, such as superposition and entanglement, defying our everyday logic. But these oddities are not just scientific curiosities, they hold profound implications for the future of technology, paving the way for quantum computers and beyond. Remember, in the world of quantum mechanics, the impossible becomes possible, and the unbelievable becomes the norm.